Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or hello if you are new. My name is Meg, and today I'm going to be doing something very different on my channel. Typically, I think you guys see me do a lot of home DIY decor videos, and today I'm going to be doing a beauty DIY. And I want you guys to keep in mind, I know you saw the disclaimer at the beginning of the video, but I am a licensed esthetician. It is completely legal for me to do this on myself. I do want to clarify that I was not actually certified in this, but I've done a lot of research. I have the gist of it, and I've seen how a lot of other people use this, so I am pretty confident in this. And I learned a lot in school about sanitation and disinfecting and all of that. That is the #1 rule to doing anything like this. But I'm going to be doing lip filler today at home with the Hyaluronpen. This does not have a needle. It has this right here, which is an ampule, and it is full right now. I already filled it. It comes separate, but I already filled it with the hyaluronic acid, and I will link everything in the description box if you guys have any questions. But yes, this is not a tutorial. This is just me doing this for entertainment purposes. I will be a guinea pig to see if this works and to see how it comes out, because I've had some horrible experiences getting it done with a needle. This seems less traumatic to the lips in general, because with filler you can actually inject right into a vein, and that can cause what they call a vascular occlusion. I'm not going to go into detail because it's kind of graphic, but you can have that happen when you go and get it done professionally, because there really is, it's really hard to tell. There are ways to try to prevent it, but it's not a guarantee. So this to me feels a lot safer, and I've never heard of anyone having a real problem with it. So I have done my research, and I'm going to be doing lip filler today, and I'm very excited about it. I will show you a picture or a video of my current setup. The Narami's Deep without lidocaine. You're not supposed to use this pen with hyaluronic acid that has lidocaine because it's too thick. So it does not have lidocaine in it, and I've heard that this pen doesn't hurt that bad, and I know when I get lip filler done with needles that it's very painful, so I'm hoping that it's not that bad. I do have my numbing cream just in case. I get this from the same place that I get my hyaluronic acid, so I'm going to try it without it, and if it's painful then I will put the numbing cream on. But right now I'm just going to, I have everything sanitized. I cleaned off my table with alcohol. I also have this separate dish. I have sterile alcohol pads. I have sterile gauze to wipe any bleeding that occurs. But this is supposed to be a little bit more gentle, and I know myself, so I know I'm gonna get swollen. I get swollen every single time that I get lip filler. I'm just not sure if I'm gonna get more swollen or less swollen. So I'm gonna do the procedure today, and then I will show you guys the results of what it looks like afterwards. And another reason I feel pretty confident doing this myself is they also sell a filler dissolver on the same website that I got the filler on. And do not go on websites like eBay or AliExpress trying to buy Botox, trying to buy filler. It's not going to be real, and I don't want you guys to hurt yourself. The website that I use is used by many people in the DIY beauty community, and it is a trusted vendor, so I will put the links down below. I don't want you guys to hurt yourself. I learned about all of this from Annie. Her YouTube name is Bikini Iron Fitness. She does a ton of like beauty DIYs and stuff. She actually inspired me to do my own Botox at home, and if you can see, I can't scowl. I can kind of raise my eyebrows a little bit, but I love it. Like, I'm so psyched to save so much money, and I just knew I would be able to do it. Like, I'm pretty good with this kind of stuff, so I'm just gonna jump right into it, and I'm really nervous. So obviously you want to wear gloves. I've already washed my hands. Some people don't wear gloves, but I think as an esthetician, anytime there might be blood, you should be wearing gloves. So that's just my opinion. So basically how this works, it does not have a needle, like I said. It uses pressure. So the pen itself comes a little bit more compact, and you roll this part up. I've already filled it because there's so many videos on how to load a Hyaluronpen on YouTube, so if you don't know, you can watch one of those. But this video is probably gonna be long enough as it is. I'm actually gonna alcohol my lips. Hold on one second. I have my sterile alcohol pads, and it is important to clean your lips before you do this. Even though it might dry them out a little bit, you should always stay safe. So how this pen works, it works with pressure, and it shoots the product into your lip. I know it sounds scary, but supposedly it's not supposed to hurt that bad. And very importantly to note is that there are little lines on this side right here, and you only want to go down 2 lines max at a time. Now when you get to the outer portion of your lip, some people recommend doing just one line down, because it's pressure. So the more you wind it down, the more pressure and product is going to come out of it. So that's why you only want to do a little bit at a time. I'm nervous. I hope this doesn't hurt. I don't even want to numb. I'm just doing a test one on the bottom and the middle just because I want to see if it hurts or not. Most people go along their vermilion border first. I'm just doing a test shot into the middle. Oh shit, I think I did it wrong.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
You're really supposed to hold it on there, which I did not do. So I'm going to pump first. I hope it doesn't hurt. And then you wind it 2 down. See, that didn't hurt, but it also didn't feel like it did anything. Definitely not used to it, that's for sure. I have to hold it like, push it up. That's what I saw people doing. That didn't hurt. It's just loud. Crank. That hurt like a bitch right there. Hopefully that did something though. That one hurt. I think I can kind of see a difference though. I feel like they're looking more even. I'm not doing it right at all either. You're supposed to do like 1 and then 1 and then 1 and then 1. My lips are a little uneven. Oh, I can feel the filler in that. That's crazy. Cool. All right, so crank. It doesn't hurt, it's just, it spooks you. Like, I'm a big baby. I cry every time I get my lips done with a needle, just so you know. And it doesn't hurt like that. It just like, it feels like a rubber band. So it spooks you a little bit, but I don't think it's painful. Even though, like you can see, I'm a bleeder though. I bleed so crazy every time I get my lips done. That's why I kind of like prefer this. If I can get good results with this, I'll be fucking psyched. And you get more comfortable with it as you try it, obviously. so ugly. Like, this isn't cute. Oh well, what are you gonna do? It's definitely working though. I'm so excited. Well, why don't I keep doing this and I'll show you guys what it looks like after, because it's gonna take me a while. It's already 20 minutes in. I was trying to do it so this side's a little more symmetrical because this side of my lip is always bigger no matter what, so I was trying to make it a little more symmetrical. So I only did 2 little dots on the bottom. I'm gonna add a little more volume and keep going, but once you get used to this, it's really not that bad. I did not use any numbing cream. My eyes did not water once. When I have ever gotten like filler in my lips with a needle, every single time my eyes are like watering nonstop. This does not even hurt, so. Do some on the bottom. I wonder if it would look weird if I did it in the middle. Right on the border, it does tend to hurt a little bit. Okay, so this is the result right after. I absolutely am obsessed with this. I'm so excited. I feel like it looks so good. Like they look even. This one's always naturally, this side is always naturally a little bit higher for some reason. I barely put any over here, but still kind of does that for some reason. But oh my God, I'm so happy. I cannot believe I did this at my house. And let me tell you right now, this is so much less painful than I thought it was gonna be. Didn't hurt, barely had any blood, and I can touch this up whenever I want. I'm like mind blown right now. I'm so happy I discovered this. I will be updating you. So I just woke up. It is day, is this focused? I just woke up and it is day 3. My lips, I'm sure, are healed. I didn't have any bruising or swelling. I just wasn't sure if it was just swelling immediately, but these are my lips. I do have some lip balm on them because I am trying to keep them moisturized. They do feel a little dry after, but and from the side. So they don't give you that duck lip look, they just plump it up a little bit. So I love it. I will be doing this to myself from now on because I love that I have like 0 downtime. I know usually my bottom lip will be like humongous and my top lip, they won't do as much. So I kind of tried to even them out a little bit and make them a little more like almost the same size, but I prefer that look on myself. I think it looks good, and I didn't do too much on the border, so I love it. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.